Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is the August Allure beauty box. Here's all the goodies. Sorry. Okay, this is a really nice box this month, so sorry about that. Let me show you. The guide also comes inside of it every month, and it gives you a description of all of the products and usually tells you a little bit about the tips and tricks by the Allure. I think she's the CEO. It always has the prices of the full-size products on the bottom, which I will put in the description box. So, and sometimes some of these have codes off, so if you want to purchase it right from the company, you can do that. And the codes are usually found in the booklet. So, this month's beauty box is really, really nice. I'm very, very shocked and surprised at how, there's always something good in there you don't expect, and you go, ooh, that's really nice. It's a good thing that I tried it, even a small sample of it, instead of buying the full size and being disappointed. The first thing I wanted to look at is I've been using all these products for the last couple days, so I have a pretty good understanding of how they work instead of a first impression. The makeup eraser is really, really cool. It comes with instructions inside, and it tells you how to use the makeup eraser. What it is it's just a piece of, it's scratchy on one side, and the other side is very, very smooth. What you do is you take this and you put it under very hot water. And what you could do is this also takes off makeup, waterproof makeup, and you just put it over your face. You exfoliate with the one side, and then you use the other side to just finish off. I've tried this a couple times. I used it on my waterproof mascara and my difficult eye concealer that I use from Juvia's Place, which is very hard to get off, and this got it off no problem. Then what I do is I just cleanse my face, rinsed it off, and this took a lot of the makeup off. What you do is you use a little soap and water to clean it, and it says you could do once a week, throw it in the washing machine, but I noticed just doing it by hand the last couple days was fine. So that's the makeup eraser, and in the booklet the price is, let me see, the makeup eraser is I believe it's $12, and you can buy it from makeuperaser.com. The next thing I wanted to show you was the Primera water cream. It says it's good for hydrating and moisturizing. It's the Alpine Beauty water cream. Now let me show you what it looks like. This is a small sample. It gives you a few uses. There it is. When you open up the inside, I've been using it for 2 days in a row. It's got some out of it. Now, it says you can use it for hydration, or it's also in the booklet, it says you can use this underneath your primer before putting on your makeup. I tried that. It's very hydrating. I tried that the first time I got this. I put on foundation and was out for a few hours and came home, and I was using the Wet n Wild, because when it's really hot and humid I can't use my Juvia's Place because it's just a little too heavy. So I put this on. I used the Wet n Wild. See how it just goes right into the skin? I use the Wet n Wild foundation that everybody says smells like paint thinner. Once you get used to it, I really don't notice the smell anymore. And I noticed when I got home, it was hot, it was humid. I was out for a few hours and my face was greasier than it usually is. So I'm not going to use this as a primer. I will just be using it as hydration, which is really, really nice. It goes into your skin really good. It really melts in. So, I like it, but I won't use it as primer. The full size is $40, and you can buy it at Sephora.com. So, it's pretty nice. It's got hydration. I have some other products that I use, face oils and stuff. I mean, if you like the company, it's worth it. The next thing I have is Laritzy, sorry. I always say them wrong. This is my second item I've received from them. In one of the boxes I received one time, I received a liquid eyeliner or liquid something. This is their liquid beam in the color Topaz. Now this is really, really nice. The packaging is nice. This is a nice liquid color. Let me put some on my hand. It is very nice. I have not tried this over eyeshadow, but I'm going to. The other ones I had, I think I had 2 other ones, and I gave them to my daughter, and she likes them. You can use this either alone, or you can use it just, you know, a little on your eyeshadow to make your eyeshadow pop. The Laritzy, sorry. The Laritzy is $22, and you can buy it through Laritzy.com. The next thing I want to show you is the Nuria Defend and Triple Action Eye Cream. I did use this. It gives you some, it preps your eyes. It's got a lot of good stuff. It's cruelty-free, all the other good stuff. You know, it's cruelty-free, vegan, all that good stuff. Now, I did try this under my eyes, and then I used the Juvia concealer. I didn't notice this doing anything for my under eyes, anything special, than just using primer. That's the tip, and then we put a little bit on it. It comes out like that. It's really nice, and then we put on a little bit. And you use the tip to work it into the under eye. It's supposed to be hydrating, and it's also supposed to, you could use this as an eye prime and then put on your makeup. It's not bad. It goes in really well. It's not sticky. It doesn't really have a smell, just a slight skincare, but you don't want a heavy smell under your eyes anyways. And it's nice. I didn't notice anything different. I tried it, like I said, and then put my concealer over it. I didn't really notice any difference, but once I play with it, I might like it a little bit. Would I buy it? I'm just getting it in. Would I buy it separately just to have an under eye cream? Probably not. But it is nice. Has a slight smell of like a something, you know, like some of the high-end creams. It's very nice. But would I buy it separately? Probably not. It's and it is $40, and you could buy it at the, Nuria. You can buy it at nuriabeauty.com, and it says it's supposed to be activation eye cream, and I'll leave the link underneath, so if you want to look at it. It's hard for me to read some of this without my glasses, but it's supposed to be Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. It's nice. I'll keep using it and see if I have any updates on whether I'm gonna buy it or not. Next thing I want to do is open this up. I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna open up the actual container. This is the Benefit Their Real mascara. It's a small one. This will be nice. Sorry, for my daughter. It's, from what I can see on the booklet, it has a regular size wand, but it's just a smaller one. And this is in, it just says black. It is in black. Benefit usually has some pretty good stuff, and I'm sure my daughter will like this. Now this is, most people know how much a Benefit is. They're not too expensive, but they're decently priced, $25. And it says they're supposed to look natural and real mascara. I just use waterproof most of the time, e.l.f., because I always get it up here and it just starts to smear, and it's just easier for me to wear. The next thing I wanted to show you was the Enzo Laszlo multiple mask eye serum, multiple task, sorry, eye serum mask. It's got the two little ones that go underneath your eyes, you know, that always make it creamy and stuff like that. It says eye-catching instant results. This I'll just pass on to my daughter because she likes some of these masks in these under eyes. It's very squishy. It feels nice. I've watched a few videos, people who've had their box also, who used it, who said it felt really, really nice. And that usually they run usually about $10-20. I don't know. It's Enzo Laszlo. I know it's an expensive company, so let me see. Ooh, this one runs $35. $35 for only the two. That says $35. Ooh, and you can buy it right on their company website. $35. Ooh. The last but not least, oh, and I want to show you the bag. This month's bag is really nice. We get pink ones, we get orange ones. This is like a yellowy green, really nice. They're always sturdy. They're not cheap plastic. They're a thicker plastic, and they're really nice to put your makeup in. The last but not least is Cargo lipstick. It is an essential lip color. Sorry, Cargo. Cargo's usually an expensive company. They make a lot of nice products. I hear they make a lot of good blushes. This, I believe, is my first Cargo product, if I'm wrong, but I don't believe I've ever had a Cargo product. Now, this is when you put the cap on. It's nice. It seals itself. This color is, I'm trying to remember, this is called Paris. And it's like a brick red with a blue undertone. Now, that's the color. The color on the monitor, on my, here on the camera, might not be as, it's a beautiful color. It's a little darker on the screen. I like it. I've used it twice. I like it. I'm going to put it right next to this. I like reddish products that have like a blue undertone. If they have an orange undertone, to me, it makes me, I don't like it. I don't like the way it makes my mouth, and I don't like the look on my face. I used this twice. The first time I used it, I just put it on without a lip liner, and I had foundation. It did bleed just a little bit, but the next time I used it, I used the Steve Laurent lip liner that I got in the BoxyCharm, and I lined it, and I had no problem with this. A little goes a long way. Let me show you a little bit of it. The color, I just dab a little bit. When I try to swipe it, too much product comes off. It is very heavily pigmented, and it's creamy. They call it a lip, yeah, they call it a essential lip color. It is very nice. I don't mind the red, because like I said, it has a bluish undertone. That is what it looks like right there. And I do need a lip liner with it. And I like this packaging. That will never come off in my purse. That will never open up like some of my other lipsticks have. So that is all the video. That's all I have in the box. This box is, your first subscription is $10, your first try, and then every month after that it's $15. I like Allure a lot. I really, really consider it almost as good as BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is $21, and with tax, if you're in a state that has tax on it, it's like $22 and change for me. This box is really, really nice. You get a lot of nice products. Let me grab the products right here. I mean, you get a lot of nice products, you know, for $15. Oop, let me grab the makeup eraser and I mean, you get a lot of products for $15. The first one is $10, and I enjoy this box very, very much. I'm rarely ever disappointed in anything. I mean, look at how much you get. I mean, just the benefit alone, and just these are all worth it. I would love to, I'm considering buying the Ipsy bag. I believe I'm going to start trying that one. I know they have the Ipsy Plus, which is a little bit more. I think that's like $35. I think Ipsy is only $15. I'm going to try that also because I like to do these unboxings. I like to get all this different stuff that, you know, companies I've never heard of before or companies I want to try. Like in the BoxyCharm, we got that Becca. If you look at my video underneath this, the BoxyCharm, we got the Becca powder, the translucent powder that feels like water. When you read it, it does contain 50% water, and then when you use it, it feels like you're using water on your face, and then after a minute you can feel it turns into a powder. It's very good. I've been using it every single day, except today. Every day I have to have makeup on. I've been using it for my under eyes, and I've been using it around my nose, and I get right here, I get the fine lines, and sometimes the foundation makes it a little emphasis, but I use that right over it, right? And because I feel that because of the water content in it, it didn't emphasize my lines. And I have these two lines right here, and it didn't settle in them. That Benefit powder, oh, I can't wait. I'm going to buy a full size. It's just something magical when you feel it. It even makes your brush feel like a little wet, but it's really not wet. It's got an amazing feel, and I'm going to buy the full size. I'm going to. This is just something I can't go without. It's very expensive, but I have to buy it. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you have any hints or tricks or tips you want to leave for me, please leave me a comment below. I hope you like these videos with the natural light instead of in my bathroom, because in the bathroom it makes everything look has a yellow haze. So, and I want to thank Julie Finelli, who's a friend of mine, for leaving comments below, and I hope she likes this video too. But if you have any tips, tricks, please leave me comments below. If you want to see some other different kind of content, you want me to add something, you know, if I can, I'll purchase it and try that on a video. But you know, I want to hit Ulta in a couple days and get a few things. And I almost forgot, for your birthday, when you join Ulta, you get a free gift. And I have no idea what that gift is. The first year I got the Happy Birthday palette. I believe the last 2 years it was a mascara that I always gave to my daughter. Whatever it is this month, whether it's a mascara or something, if it's a mascara, I'll give it to my daughter, but I can't wait. I haven't looked, so I got to run up to Ulta to get my August birthday gift. And while I'm up there, of course, you gotta look and browse, and you gotta look at something, right? You know, you can't walk out sometimes empty-handed. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.